I woke up this morning gasping your name, sweating so much I thought it rained. Had a cold summer's morning, that's when sweltering hot. Only a few days later to thinking I'd fly. Would we still talk? Would we still care? Would we still stop? Would we still care? Daydreaming of a life without pain. Your heart in my chest, pumping my veins, squeezing so long I thought we were one. Letting go didn't get done. Would we still feel? Would we still be? Could I be you? Could you be me? But I'm glad I found you. But I'm glad you found me. I've been looking so long for my book ending. Thank you guys.